Hello math enthusiasts, welcome to section 5 of double integrals. In double integrals over the circle, please don't use x and y because calculation after that it's so nasty. What we must do? We must learn polar coordinate. Let's dive in it. At the first, I'm gonna to build this formula. Okay, you consider we have a x, y and dA and we have a bound. Yes, how we must produce that? Instead of x, I replace with r cosine theta. Instead of y, I replace r sine theta. And if you see, with respect to theta, our bound is exactly between alpha and beta, but with respect to r, small radius, and also this larger radius, therefore is between r1 and r2, but with respect to theta. Yes, let's change this formula. With respect to theta, our bound is between alpha and beta. With respect to r, between r1 and r2, fx r cosine theta and r sine theta. But instead of dA, you must substitute r dr d theta, and we just add r dr. Some of the students told me, oh, that is so hard. And no, let's go to explicit example. In here we're gonna to find the volume of solid between the plane z equal 0 and this paraboloid. If you see, our region is exactly circle. If we're gonna to write this integration with x and y, because that is circle between -1 and +1, is something like this: 1 minus x squared with a minus part. Our integrand is 1 minus x power 2 minus y power 2 dy dx. Yes, but this calculation, guys, is so hard, and I put this one and I replace by polar coordinate. We know we have a circle, exactly this region. Our theta exact between 0 and 2 pi. But what is our radius? It starts with 0 and 1. Therefore is between 0 1. But if I substitute exactly in here, 1 minus, instead of x we must put r cosine power 2. Yes, is r2 cosine theta squared minus, instead of y, r power 2 sine theta squared r dr d theta. If I summarize these, but 1 minus, if I factorate, minus r power 2 is cosine power 2 theta plus sine power 2 theta, and you know that is 1. Therefore in here we replace that 1 minus r squared r dr d theta. Is not simple than previous? Yes, absolutely. That is 0 2 pi 0 1 r minus r power 3 over 3 dr d theta. Our partial integration with respect to r is exactly r power 2 over 2 minus r power 4 over 4, and right now I substitute 0 and 1 is exactly 1 over 2 minus 1 over 4. Answer is 1 over 4 also, but right now we must calculate this value between these integration of 0 2 pi 1 over 4 d theta is exactly 1 over 4 theta. When I substitute 0 and 2 pi, that is 1 times 2 pi over 4, and our total answer is pi over 2. Yeah, thank you for watching this video, guys. Don't forget to subscribe me. I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.